Hello everyone, hope you had a fantastic January. This side Pooja representing Oro Reality and welcoming you all to our latest construction progress walkthrough of the region as of January 2025. The region by Oro Reality is our premium high-rise gated community at Kondapur with lush outside and luxe inside. With 5 glorious towers spread across 10.38 acres, it has scenic views of Gopecheru Lake and permanent green spaces of Hyderabad Central University.
Let's begin with Phase 1, consisting of pristine, esteem and serene towers. Starting with the internal units, entire internal units flooring along with the corridor flooring, staircase tile works, lift lobbies, wall cladding and false ceiling works are 100% completed in all aspects. Doors and windows are progressing to get completed shortly, having 95% works done as of now. Around 85% painting related activities are completed for the internal units. Our basements are ready with UG sumps, fire and domestic pump rooms and sewage treatment plant. 90% of basement parking is completed with painting works. Let's take a look outside. Having entire structure and waterproofing works for the podium fully completed. We have completed 95% of landscaping works on the podium and the B1 level as well. Our entire boundary is fully secured as we have completed our compound wall works. Our entry portal along with security cabin and project signage is fully completed. Getting into the details of mechanical and electrical works, we have both passenger and service lifts fully functional in all the towers. Major mechanical systems like firefighting system, basement ventilation system, and water supply and drainage systems are 100% completed along with their respective pump rooms. They are tested, commissioned, and fully functional now. We are thrilled to share that 95% of inventory is sold out. Coming to Clubhouse, internal fit-out works are fully completed for ground, first and second floors and progressing in third and fourth floors parallelly. And both the lifts of Clubhouse are functional too. Let's move on to Phase 2. In Dazzling Tower, 39 floors along with terrace slab is completed and structures above terrace like lift machine room, overhead tank is progressing. And at Celestine Tower, structural work is progressing at 8th floor, having 7 floors completed. To round off this update, we are thrilled to share that 80% of inventory in Phase 2 is sold out. So what are you waiting for? Here's a chance to own these large units ranging from 1950 square feet to 2191 square feet.
I hope this video has provided you valuable project insights. Thank you all for your continued support and do visit our sales office for more updates. This is Pooja signing off. Thank you.